Hi there, this is Dr. Tony Madril back on the YouTube channel to talk to you about EMDR and EgoStates therapy. In my last video, I reviewed the difference between top-down and bottom-up therapies for the treatment of trauma. In this video, I'm going to answer the following questions. 1, what is EgoStates therapy? And 2, how might it enhance EMDR for resolving trauma? EgoStates therapy refers to the belief that we as humans develop various ego states or personality patterns in response to our experiences. These ego states represent our patterns of beliefs and ways of behaving in relationships. These patterns can be conscious or unconscious. They can help us or sometimes create problems. It is the problematic ego states that are unconscious, which is treated with EgoStates informed EMDR. An example of such a problematic ego state is a part of the mind that activates the fight, flight, or freeze response when reminded of a trauma because it carries unresolved emotional pain from the past that would need to be treated and released. This untreated emotional pain may result in a person experiencing any number of trauma-related symptoms when triggered, such as feeling disconnected from reality or having a panic attack. So how might EgoStates therapy enhance EMDR for resolving trauma? Good question. The thoughtful integration of EgoStates therapy with EMDR may help the therapist and client to identify those parts of the mind that have been separated or hidden to protect the person from overwhelming psychological stress at the time of the trauma. Second, it may help the person reprocess and release the stress once the wounded parts of the mind have been identified. And third, it often helps the person reintegrate the separated parts of the mind so that they are conscious to them and less likely to activate the fight, flight, or freeze response following the therapy. EgoStates informed EMDR can be administered by a trauma therapist who has been trained both in EgoStates therapy and EMDR like myself. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to contact me. This is your partner in emotional health, Dr. Tony Madril, signing off for now.